sisters and brothers in the divine. Those great sages in India, thousands of years ago, who contributed in compiling sacred scripture and holy books like the Vedas, and in creating deathless literature like the Bhagavat and the Mahabharata, all acknowledged the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, the celestial song containing the teachings of Lord Krishna to his disciple Arjuna, as unique among all such eminent creations, in the depth and breadth of its spiritual insight and practical instructions for the spiritual path, as well as in the unparalleled beauty and clarity of its poetic expression. There are several different ways of worshiping God, which are established in the names of different religions holding contrasting views on such matters.